Well, it's always challenging when you have children accused of adult crimes. I had a chance to speak with a longtime juvenile magistrate who's going to help us understand the key differences between court hearings for adults and those for kids.
Children are not little adults, and we treat children as children. That doesn't mean that child is excused from accountability, but it helps explain the process a little bit.
Jeff Gaither has been a magistrate in Marion County Juvenile Court for more than 2 decades. He says when a kid comes to court for an initial hearing, there are certain things that generally always happen.
At that time, the rights are read to the child. They have a right to an attorney. The petition that has the delinquent offenses that are alleged by the prosecutor is read to the child to make sure the child understands that, as well as the parents.
And when the criminal charges are explained in juvenile court, they're not called criminal charges.
We don't use the word criminal in juvenile court. Everything is delinquent. Criminal equals delinquent.
After an initial hearing, there's usually a series of pre-trial hearings. And at every one of those, a judge will decide whether a young defendant should remain in custody or be released.
We're always going to consider community safety. We're also going to consider child well-being as well.
So what about the decision to have a 13-year-old accused of attempted murder be tried as a juvenile? Well, this magistrate can't comment on ongoing cases, but he says waiving a young defendant into adult court is extremely rare.
Is that an unusual situation? Yes. I mean, 13, wow. 13, that's softball and Little League and so forth. Do we want that kind of a child into the system? Well, no, we don't.
For now, the 7th grader accused of shooting 2 people at his middle school remains in juvenile custody while waiting to hear the exact charges against him and what will come next. A few more differences to tell you about. In juvenile court, there's no trial. That's called a fact-finding hearing. There's no guilty or innocent because charges are either found to be true or not true. And there's no sentencing. In juvenile court, it's called a disposition. You should know juvenile cases rarely ever result in an actual trial or fact-finding hearing. And that's because the prosecutor is required to make a plea offer. This whole process kicks into high gear Monday morning. 13 Investigates will keep you updated on this case every step of the way.